Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm here at the XRP premiere. Cassie's in the truck back there, as you guys can see. We were just out here at the Landmark Theater in Atlanta, and man, let me tell you, this movie, this Fruition Productions movie about XRP called XRP Unleashed is absolutely amazing. You guys have to go see it. We'll put a link down below in the video description for you guys to check it out. But what I would tell you is, it tells a story of a community of people in XRP Army that today is making money and feeling good. That's a dork in a cyber truck. I'm just kidding. You guys go watch AJ's channel. But look, here's the thing, guys. The thing is the XRP community has held through. The XRP Army has held tough. And today, XRP is at 81 cents. It was, man, who knows how high this thing is going to go. $1 soon. And I think there's a chance it's $2 or $3 by the end of the year, first week of January or two. I think that XRP is about to have its big run up now. And, you know, this movie tonight, it really just drove something home to me more than ever, which is, guys, this was all a setup. It was all a setup. And I watch a lot of the people in the XRP Army get really frustrated with this stuff. And I was really frustrated, like you guys were too, for a long time, until I really started to understand what's happening and what's real. And the fact is that when it comes to the SEC lawsuit and XRP, it was all set up for XRP to be regulated and for the XRP Army to make all the money. I mean, they didn't do it so the XRP Army would make money, but that's a byproduct. And that is a really, really, really good thing. Guys, XRP is not Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash or Polkadot or ADA. XRP is going to welcome in the new world financial system. And I think that what we have to know and have to understand in the world of crypto is we're trying to navigate this and figure out how high XRP is going to go. Can XRP go all the way to $5? I think XRP, $3 by Valentine's Day. How about we say that? XRP, $3 by Valentine's Day. No, I do think, look, I think a new all-time high for XRP is imminent. And I don't know if it's going to be this first little hurrah, but what I would tell you is the most exciting thing to me after watching this film and looking at the XRP Army and understanding that everything is set up properly now for regulation for Ripple to absolutely explode. I think what you have to understand is it's not just the price in the bull run right now that we want to pay attention to, okay? What we want to pay attention to is the fact that there's a chance, and I'm not just saying this, guys. I really want you to know I'm not saying this for clicks. I'm absolutely not saying this so you watch this video. I'm not saying this so you see me as the leader of the XRP Army. I'm telling this because I believe it's true. I think there's a great chance we're going to see XRP break away from the traditional Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto 4-year cycle. It makes perfect sense. It was set up for the regulation. And now, when we head into a bear market, it's still seen as favorable, okay? And we'll probably have an XRP ETF by then, potentially. Probably have an IPO by then, potentially. But I think we have a chance to see XRP break away from the rest of the crypto market. And that's an exciting narrative if you're in the XRP Army and you're saying, man, see, this is why Mr. X is always telling us it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how fast this happens. What matters is that we're right. It doesn't matter when. And I think, guys, it's a really important lesson for you guys to listen to think about right now. To think about, Bitcoin had 91K this week, almost 92. I don't actually know exactly where it peaked out. I don't care right now. But what I'll tell you is this, is that, you know, for years and years, people have crucified me for saying Bitcoin was going to go to $100,000 in the last bull market. And while certainly almost every influencer said it and almost everybody thought about it, I was the face of the 2020 and 2021 bull run, which is pretty funny to just say that out loud and think about. But I was the face of that entire bull run. Even tonight at the Fruition Productions XRP Unleashed film tonight, even the director and the Chris and Maya who created the film, Maya told me that she got into crypto because she was watching my videos, and then he got Chris, her husband. Even the people that made this movie were telling me I got them into crypto, and it's amazing to see my impact. But not only was I the face of all the money that was made and all the millionaires that were made in crypto in 2021, I was also the face of the $100,000 Bitcoin that didn't happen. I was the face of a downtrodden crypto market. I was the face of people who rise to the top, get a Lamborghini and $40 million, and then go back to nothing. Well, I would say nothing. I do have my nice truck. That's all I have left. And Cassie. Okay. But the point is that, you know, it has been a really wild ride watching people and their reaction to me over the years. And what I'll say is that, you know what nobody's talking about right now? You know what nobody's saying? BitBoy's an idiot for thinking the Bitcoin will go to 100K. It's all very clear to everyone it's getting there now. And you know what? All those people that looked at me as the face of that didn't happen, they'll go away immediately, because it doesn't matter when I was right. What matters is I told you Bitcoin was going to $100,000 since it was at $3,000. I told you Ethereum was going to $10,000 when it was at $50 or $70, $75 at least. Think about that, guys. I'm not tooting my own horn here. What I'm telling you is that when it comes to this market, it doesn't matter when you're right. It matters that you're right. And the XRP army that have invested into XRP and are watching their returns roll in now, you deserve it. And guess what? A lot of people aren't going to tell you this right now because they're jealous of you. You're right. Be blessed. Big way out.